In this video, I'll show you how to check Facebook post views step by step. If you want to see how many people have viewed your posts, Facebook provides insights for professional profiles and pages. First, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Go to your Facebook page or professional profile and find the post you want to check. Tap on the post to open it. If you're using a professional profile or page, you'll see Post Insights or View Insights below the post. Tap it to view detailed performance metrics. Here, you can see the number of views, reach, impressions, reactions, comments, shares, and other engagement statistics for that post. If you're checking a video or reel, you'll also see the total video views and watch time. To view overall performance, open your professional dashboard and tap Insights, where you can compare the performance of all your recent posts. Use these insights to understand what type of content your audience enjoys the most and improve your future posts. Keep in mind that some analytics are only available for professional profiles and Facebook pages. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.